What's up, guys? Today we're outside at our shed. We are going to take this shed and turn it into our workshop.
Gonna remove all this mess, clean up, and turn this
into this.
Let's get to the video.
What's step one?
We need to get it completely empty, like it's brand new.
Slate.
Clean slate.
I'm really happy that all the bugs came out to be with us today.
All right, she's all cleaned up. I left a couple of the big things because I need to figure out the layout. What do you think? I will roll. I bought some 2x4s to put a loft and then one over here. So I think that should be the first thing. Ready to build some lofts? Mm-hmm. All right, let's go, guys. What do people say? Gonna have to fit 10 pounds of burden to one stone.
Wow. That's not cut like to size.
It's weird how a 2x4x8 fits in the 8-foot space.
It's weird, yeah. Did you buy the size shed because of the
length? Yeah, I bought the shed because I wanted to make sure it fit studs. Okay, tell me when it's level.
It needs to go up more? Yep, that's good.
Now I need one here at 2 feet. You know, today, I just may wear a tool belt.
I'll believe it when I see it.
How do you feel about that?
Skeptical.
Skeptical. You know where the measuring tape is?
Babe, can you, for the love of God,
what?
Put a tool belt on?
All right, let's level this girl.
Wow, I like it.
Like a real adult carpenter.
Almost.
And I need tools. I put things in here. Just gotta have things. Put some screws in here. Hammer. I need a hammer, otherwise it's not gonna work. Okay. I got too sidetracked. Looking good. Just tried this little gizmo here. Now just do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna cut this piece to fit in between those two. Okay, this is good. Quick update. I had these brackets up higher. My goal was to use joist hangers, but my joist hangers are for 2x6. This is a 2x4. So what I did is I moved these down, and now the 2x4 just sit on top, and the piece of plywood will go on top of it. I'm going to screw this one in here just to keep it steady. Put one on this guy. All right, and then this one I'm going to leave loose. I'm going to cut the plywood and screw it to this one and this one. Match the edge and screw it in so it's even. You like that plan?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. There you go.
Ow.
Go in. Watch your head.
Happy you have your mic on for that burp.
Always on for the most important things, you know? Okay.
Is it half?
Yeah, why? Does it not look?
No, I'm saying that's good because you're going to use it for both of them, I'm assuming. Obviously.
Yeah, I mean, it's almost like it was planned that way.
I didn't know your plan. You didn't tell me.
Okay, now we're good. We're as good as the cut, you know? Find out here in a minute.
Do you need help?
All right, want to give me a hand with this? Oh. All right.
All right.
Good job. Now let me get up here.
Ah, I can't even do it. You have your... Oh, you're so sweaty. What can I do?
I don't think anything right now. Let's make sure it's even here. Here, I'll give you a thing.
So it can look like you're doing something.
Yeah, exactly. Just go like that. Make sure it's even. Push this wood. Okay. Hey, we loft.
Look at that cute little loft.
Now we just got to do it all over again on the other side. Got an intruder. Hello. All right, these guys are up. So this is what I'm thinking. Let's store some things up here and up there because we're not going to be in here for too many more hours. And at least we start putting things in their permanent homes.
Really spell that out for me.
Didn't know what to do with my hands. So. Hey, we started storing some things in here, but go show them outside. Unforecasted rain looks like it's coming. So now we're in survival mode here. Trying to put this stuff inside before we get caught in the rain. Come on. Good morning. This is day 2. Check out the progress. Nope, looks the same. We had to just stuff everything back in so it wouldn't get wet. Here we are again today. Candice slept in, so we're starting late.
Lies. We just have to move everything out all over again and then start organizing.
And hope that Candice doesn't smash my finger again. Look at this thing. Okay, so we're getting to the point where I have to organize some things. In this corner, Candice, would you do me the honor? All right, so right there, thinking about putting some shelves, maybe like 1, 2, maybe a third one down here, and then make these 2 stud areas. 2 stud areas. Make that like the hand tool area. I might just reuse this whole section here.
I vote against using those brackets because Wender has already hit his head on those a few times.
I've never hit my head on those. It's just a... I only have 3 of these brackets, so I'll probably go pick one more up later, put it in here, but it's fine for now. Now on to clamp storage.
Really hate that thing.
I think I'm just going to cut a piece of 2x something and put it in here, and then these clamps can just let's do. This is a little shelf I got from the Amazons to put all my drills and chargers. So I'm gonna build this so we can find its home. I'm gonna use it just to like clean up, you know, like blow things up. Oops. We got more of these hooks, so I think we'll just install a bunch across. We redid the kitchen, and I'm still holding on to some cabinets, not sure what to do with them. I took them apart. I'm gonna pull some of these nails out, and it'll be perfect for a little shelving thing there. Alright, so there's the end of day 2, and this is where we're at. We did make these cubbies for these tools. We're going to add a third one down here tomorrow. The table saw is going to go on this end, and the only problem with the table saw is I've got this sliding saw. I wish I had a K-Pax. Best tool. Holler at your boys, drop my DMs, because they don't slide that much, and they don't need to be like all the way out here like mine's going to be. Bye.
Bye.
Hey, day 3.
What's the plan for today?
I would like to add a third row, finalize where all the scrap woods are going to go. The larger pieces like plywood cutoffs.
I'm forgetting a major component.
Demolition. The cabinets that are left over. She wants to
smash things.
Yep, got that to look forward to.
I feel like it's the most fun part.
That's right. Are you ready?
We're going to keep all the parts, right? We're just smashing
Keeping
them.
Yep, smaller pieces.
Them.
I'm going to have to let go of my shirt. This print is so huge. It's just making me sweat. Extra amounts. Yeah, like I'm Tyvek'd.
Just wanted to have a little moment for this shirt.
Super low Francine's.
Bring him a new one so he can change. Feel better?
Oh man, so much better. All right, let's move the chop saw in here and see like how much space. That thing sucks, man. That's gonna take so much space. Let's find a home for it so we can make progress. trying to figure out storage space. I have 2 ladders, and what we're thinking about doing is another lofty idea. Lofty idea. We're gonna put a 2x4 going all the way across, one here, and I think one somewhere around here. The ladders can store out of the way. Yeah, that'll be next. Let's just go over here and struggle with this until it's up. Stupid wires. I can't turn it. Usually you don't want the wood this way. It's not where it's shrunk. Those ladders don't weigh like a ton of weight, so I'm content. Put a little zip zap, little zippity zap zoop. Zoop. It is so hard to work in little spaces that didn't do nothing. Damn it.
Should probably move that out a little so you don't fall.
What?
Your step stool.
Oh, I'm committed now. Let's try to finagle that wood in here. Oh boy. Okay. What did I do? I did this, right? Yeah.
Sure.
Okay. Screw me. Yeah, that one. Second floor is complete. Yeah.
Oof. Ugh. Did that just happen?
I don't know anymore.
Are you sure these woods are gonna hold? Scared.
All right, we got ladders.
I'm scared about that. Are you sure you don't want to like put braces on there?
I don't know. Happy with this.
Okay. Is that level?
No. How is this stupid table gonna hang out up in the air? Did you measure?
No, I didn't measure.
Or you just having
Sure,
ideas? 18, 70. It's like the exact size of the door.
See?
How? I don't have a way to attach this. Just glue it up there.
Yeah.
So I could screw in from this side.
Make a little wood bracket.
The middle is the part that's a little bit suck-festy. But I'm just gonna start. It's like not one 2x4 cut off. A little guy like this. Just a little guy. All these scraps and you don't have the one scrap you need. Prop it up on the prop it up there and come over here. Hold this. Alright, that's that. Where's that big screw? Oh my god. So solid. So solid. Now add a lip. This thing's pretty low key here. Too much small. I think that's it. Alright, I want to screw it. Oh, let me get my fingers out because I know how you. Oh!
At least center that, for Christ's sakes.
Give me a screw and a screw machine. Grab me the corner screwer.
Is that the technical term?
Yep. And bunge. Let's get this bunge in here. Storage dreams coming true here.
It's gonna be real sticking out a lot, huh?
We literally just talked about this. I can't use anything beyond here.
That makes way more sense. And do like 2
levels?
Yeah.
Okay. You got it? I feel like every time I ask you to hold something, as soon as I let go, it's like that.
And you're like, all right, come help me hold this. And so I hold the other side and then you let go of your side. I don't know that you're going to walk away.
Assume that's the standard from now on.
Then I'm going to push you out of my way when I come in.
Think you're ready for precise cuts?
Probably not. Guess I'm not doing them.
Yeah, here. Get your hair up.
I do have my hair up. Finally.
Beautiful.
I tried my best. I haven't jigsawed since we made the cutting boards.
Natural.
If you haven't seen that video, you should check it out. It's a really good video. It was 4 projects out of old kitchen cabinets.
Yep.
Yeah. Check it out. It's great. It's good?
How's it going?
I think it's going good.
Done?
Did I do a good job?
You did a great job. Very good job. The best job.
Thank you.
Good.
All right, next one. I'm not built for this, I think.
Well, hey, like my shirt today?
I do.
All right, so what are we doing?
I don't know.
Before?
Last day.
The only thing that's missing at home is all my sanding discs. We're going to use this bay and just make like 3-4 shelves.
Something like this, if you can see it. Probably won't have the divider in the middle, but it doesn't really need it.
Nope. So first thing, we got to move the saw back out. I am marking where these shelves are going to live so that I can pre-drill some holes. Look at this. Huh? Easy reach.
You like that?
It's nice, yeah. It's just having a hard time bending it in that direction.
Well, if only you had someone to help.
If only.
You should call someone.
Okay, very nice. Okay.
It's beautiful, babe.
Yes, I am so proud. That is the last on our checklist. Who is it? Want to take a tour of the shop?
Yes.
All right, tour, and then we'll do a cost breakdown. This is 8 feet by 20. It had one light bulb like in the middle. I removed the socket and I bought these LED lights. Put the loft here, one on the back for scrap wood. We bought these brackets and you can lay wood on it. This side, we actually shelved it so I can put more toolboxes. We put in little shelves, put all these tools. This cabinet was from the bathroom. It actually makes a really good little standing station, and my drill press and my planer can get stored under there. My toolbox lives here in this little corner. I put the little charging station. This is a workbench, so it's got extendable legs. We put shelves to keep all of my hardware, and there's plenty of room to expand. Sawhorses are up here. Plywood, I just had these until I use it. They'll live here. My proudest area is this, the clamp area. I have the air compressor and a extension cord. We just put a couple 2x4s across to get the ladders off the ground. And then the table saw. It is on wheels, so I can, just kind of move it around as I need it. I think that concludes it.
We're ready for the cost breakdown of everything that we spent?
Yep. Let's do a quick price breakdown.
Let's do it.
All right, so this doesn't include any of the tools. That's years of collecting. The shed delivered to the house was $5,500. I had some electricians come in. That was $1,300. The AC. It's Wi-Fi enabled, so I can program it to kick in the morning if I want to work here in the afternoon. It is 7,500 BTUs. It also heats. That was $500 on Amazon. I think I bought 10 2x4s. That came out to $67, and that's the wood we used for the lofts. I still actually have a couple pieces here, so maybe a little bit cheaper. Next thing was these lights. It comes in a 6-pack. Also on Amazon. I love these. We use them in the gym as well. Those cost $55. This drill station here, I can't find the exact same one on Amazon anymore, but somewhere around $40. I'll link a similar one if you're interested. The last thing, these brackets, we spent $13 on that.
Got those at Ollie's.
Ollie's is a local place. Grand total is
$7,475.
That's what got us a wood shop.
It's definitely worth it because we're going to make a lot of things. I'm so excited at how much scrap wood Wender has, and I can't wait to think of all the projects that he's going to do for me.
That sounds great.
And now he has the shop, so he doesn't have any excuse.
All right. Thanks for watching.
Yep. Make sure to like and subscribe because we're going to be building many more things.